In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a mobile phone background in Macromedia Fireworks. Now to open Macromedia Fireworks, we go to Start, All Programs, we look for Macromedia, and then we want the yellow icon, which is Macromedia Fireworks. So it's All Programs, Macromedia, and Macromedia Fireworks. We'll just wait for that to open. Okay, when Fireworks opens, the first thing we need to do is create a new file. So we go to File, New, and we put in the size of our background. So for a mobile phone, it's probably the width is going to be about, I don't know, maybe about 280, and the height is probably going to be about 500. The canvas color option here allows us to either select white, transparent, so you can see through it, or select some custom color. I'm just going to use a custom color, and I'm going to start with a fairly light color. You can always change this later. Just click OK. Then I'm going to make it full screen. Now, to create a background, there's three main tools that we're going to be using, and these tools reside in the vector menu on the left hand side. So the first one I'm going to show you is the shape tool. If I click and hold on the shape tool, it allows me to select different types of shapes. So I'm going to try with a rounded rectangle first of all. Okay, once I've clicked on that, you'll notice my cursor's changed, and then I can start drawing shapes on there. Now what you should notice is once you draw a shape on, at the bottom of the screen a properties window appears. This allows you to change the colour. You can also change the texture. You can change the outline, and then I can increase the outline colour. Change that down a bit. And it also allows you to add effects. So if I click on the plus sign here, I can add, one of the more popular ones is glow. So if I go to shadow and glow and click glow, you'll see a glow appear. And I can control how much glow I want and what colour glow. So you can be quite creative with this and create various different style shapes. The next tool I'm going to show you is the line tool. So again, if I just click and drag, I can add a line on. Now at the moment, you might think to yourself, well, that's just a line, not particularly interesting. But again, you can add effects. So if I click on the effect plus button, again I can add a glow and control how much glow I want. I can also add multiple effects, so I can add another effect on top. You can start to get really creative with this. So to make your mobile phone background, what you'll need to do is actually build up a series of shapes and lines. And again, you need to be very, very creative. The last thing I'm just going to show you is how we can actually start making maybe curved lines. So once I have a line on my screen, if I click on this tool on the left hand side, I can then start to actually maneuver my line just by clicking and dragging in certain areas of the line and start to build up an interesting image. If you want to move anything on your screen, what you'll need to do is first select the black pointer tool at the top. Then you can move things around. Okay, now that you have the skills to create your vector graphic, I want you to use your imagination. I want you to be as creative as you can.